These 3 etiquette mistakes will make you seem insecure even if you're not. And the first one is apologizing for everything. Don't apologize and say sorry unless you actually did something wrong. Instead, say things like, thank you for bringing this to my attention, or thank you for your patience. Next is over-explaining. It's the whole dog ate my homework in some sort of elaborate story. We don't need to know. You're an adult. You can accept responsibility for the things that happened and just be clear, concise, and confident in your communication. And then the last one is constantly seeking reassurance. So, did that sound okay? Did that sound weird? Are you sure about that? Are you sure you don't mind? All these questions undermine your message. Just state what you believe clearly and confidently, and then leave the questions aside.